welcome back. Today is Wednesday, 18th of December. Um, I'm gonna discuss on how price reacted yesterday and see how we're gonna react today. Yesterday, we had news, so the anticipation was um, coming back into discount. Discount meaning this fair value gap right here, which was respected with the bodies closing above the 50% of its whole of the gap. So now our eyes would be looking above as we are looking at 22 thousand 135.5 as our next target. So this session that is coming, because right now we are 8 a.m. So this is the thing, this is the target that I'm looking for before um, anything else happens, because we've been rejecting this price going lower for all since yesterday, I would say. So right now I'm looking for price going higher, and then if we put like a projection over Phoebe, so 22,335 53.2, that's my next, that will be the next target because we don't have any other high next to it. So this would be the next projectile to look for. So in this pre-market analysis, we are not really concerned about this projectile here. We are concerned on what the market will do next or during this coming session, this New York session. So in this New York session, we have a couple of discounts which we can test. So one being um, below these lows, we have an FEG here. So we opened from here. Our midnight open was there. Price cleared the lows where we had sell side liquidity. After clearing it, we started gravitating towards the next target being the buy sides. So we cleared our sell side and then made a shift in the market structure. Now we are expecting a continuation. So a continuation being we continue during 9:30 open. So after 9:30 open, this kind of accumulation here I'm looking at as order being generated before they take out the price above again. So for now, we would look, if we say where would you look at? So there is an imbalance right here. This can be used again as our PDRA to take price higher again. So for now, that's what I'm looking for. With ES, it's same thing. With the ES, it's the same thing. We went lower during New York Open and then start gravitating higher. But with ES, I don't think we've tested this gap yet. So I'd like to see it being tested or being left open, and then we continue to respect this other block right here, and then use it to move price above if we fail um, to test this uh, inefficiency below, which, if I'm not mistaken, actually was tested already during 7 a.m. So a nice continuation would be nice. So that also shows me that we might have some kind of continuation without testing this if there's an SMT forming, um, trying to form right there. So at 7, if you remember, we cleared like the lows here, but here we failed to take it. So the failing means there's an SMT being built there. So at 9, anything which would touch here, then it would um, be an extra confirmation to at least take these highs, and then see if price will be uh, eager to take the whole move before FOMC later in the PM session. So for now, what I'm looking for is a nice test in this gap. So after testing that gap, we can start to look for price going higher, and then see what we can do um, to react on what price has done uh, during this session. So probably like a sweep 830 would be nice, being the manipulation. Then 930 would act as a distribution, because right now that's what I'm looking to do, really, without trying to change a narrative or anything. This will be the first target or low hanging fruit. So the low hanging fruit will be this one. If we start gravitating above and changing, uh, so like this is the sell side. So if we start having a buy side curve, then this would be the first target that would take us there. And then our terminus for the day would be this one, and probably a 50% from here to here would also be a nice place to take your partials. So for now, that's what I'm looking for, and later I can update you guys on what I managed to do during the session. So take care and have a nice day trading. Bye bye.